So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin kabola. Ito nga pong sitwasyon ng Mikey Williams. So we will name the 3 teams na sa palagay natin. Dapat po maging interesado po sa kanya. And then pag-usapan natin ng isang malaki pong achievement ng Meralco Balls. So hindi pa na-subscribe, pakipindot ang boy subscription button. Boy lumahan, sabi niya dito. Puro haka-haka lang SMB, walang nangyayari sa trade hiba, sabi niya. Ronald Berbusidad, pa-shoutout sir. Sabi ni Dennis Santiago, ala pera rain or shine, kabola. So, of course, we know na yung kanya ng financial capacities hindi po katumbas ng mga ibang conglomerate teams. Malyari Mascareñas, pa-shoutout naman idol. Thank you so much. Regardless Sugilas, I don't think ipasok si JB sa game nila and New Zealand. Si Kwame ang paglalaro rin, but in Hong Kong, sabi niya. Actually, nasabi na po ni Coach Tim Go na announce na niya, no, the recording of this video na maglalaro po in both games daw. Ito pong si Justin Brownlee, kabola. So mukhang mali ka doon, Boss Malyari Mascareñas, kabola. Dumiretso muna tayo doon kay Mikey Williams. No? Alam naman na natin, kabola, that he is now, kabola, on the trade block. No? Klaro po yan, kabola. So for me, there's 3 teams should try to get him. The first one on my list will be San Miguel Bremen. Bakit? Kung hindi rin naman po talaga nila papalitan si Coach George Gallant, then for them, of course, the best route is to continue piling up talent. And of course, if available si Mikey Williams, and knowing din yung situation ni heading, I think, kumbaga same lang yan, kabola, that you will not need to match up yung real value po ng isang Mikey Williams because of the situation. And of course, San Miguel Bremen should take advantage of that, kabola. Like, halimbawa lang, baka Mikey Williams, kabola, for Terence Romeo, kabola, will be enough, di ba? May mga ganun. Klase po ng trade kung saan lamang, obviously po, ang San Miguel no, sa magiging palitan po, kabola. Then the second on my list will be Blackwater Elite. So, ito lang naman yung logic niyan, di ba? May offers sila kay Troy Rosario. Now, try nilang yung offer kay Mikey Williams. Baka tanggapin naman kasi tagal lang yung hindi naglalaro, di ba? Tagal lang yung walang sweldo, kabola, di ba? So, baka tanggapin, di ba? Maglaro muna sa kanila, kabola, di ba? Maglaro sa kanila, then lilipat ulit nila sa big teams, di ba? In the future, pwedeng ganun po yung maging game plan po siya ng Blackwater Elite or dapat consider po nila na game plan. And I'm actually desiring to see Mikey and ito nga pong si Cedric Bearfield in one team kasi that will be a very explosive thing to watch those two teaming up, kabola. Pero number 1 ko, Magnolia Hotshots. Kasi klaro sa ating kabola that Magnolia need to add more. They added Sab Lucero dun sa off-season, but it was not good enough, kabola. Maybe, of course, hindi pa rin din man sila nagpapalit po ng coach, pero yun nga, mukhang hindi naman sila magpapalit pa ng coach. So, why not add, diba? Take advantage of the current situation of Mikey Williams. Meron naman siguro silang panueldo dyan dito kay Mikey Williams, kabola, diba? Malamang, hindi naman na siguro makakompete nila sina San Miguel dyan and Ginebra realistically. Kasi yung dalawang yun, iti-take advantage nila yung mga farm team. So, why not try, diba? They should try, kabola, diba? Imagine Mikey Williams with his ability for 4-point shot. It will really open up, kabola, the court for Abueva, Baroka, Laput, kabola, diba? Now, of course, the number 1 thing that we want to talk about is the victory of the Meralco Balls against Busan KCC Aggies, kabola. It's a big win, kabola. And now, in the standings, number 2 na po ang Meralco Balls. Sino ba yung Busan KCC na yan? They just won the KBL, Korean Basketball League, kabola, na panalunan nila yon and tinalo sila ng Meralco Balls, kabola, di ba? That is a big achievement. That is a big thing in Philippine basketball, kabola. Alam naman natin yung nangyayari sa kabila. Ayaw ko lang pag-usapan sa kabila. Di ba, kabola? Kasi kabaliktar yung nangyayari dun Pero at the very least, meron tayo sinusuportahan. Merong team, may Meralco Balls, kabola, na tinatayo yung bandera natin. And man, that game was serious. Check the box score. 8 player lang yung pinalaro po ng Meralco. And even Busan, 8 player lang din po yung pinalaro nila. It shows a lot kung gaano kaseryoso yung mga teams na ito. And we won. A team from the Philippines won. That's a champion of the KBL. Champion of the KBL. Kung saan mas pinipili maglaro doon ng mga blue chip natin na prospects, tinalo natin yan, kabola. By the Meralco Balls, they not even considered po a powerhouse team sa PBA, but they defeated that team, kabola. I do not want to listen to those stating na tatlo yung import na etc. I do not care. They played bis on the rules, kabola. They take advantage of that. The coaching duo of Coach Luigi Trillo and Coach Nenad, kabola, is so amazing. Watch that game. Ang amazing there. The comeback kids, kabola. never say die Ginebra, pero sa international ball, Kabola, Meralco Balls heart is showing up, Kabola. You better support them kasi I think they badly wanted to win that championship for the Philippines, Kabola. Unfortunately, the other team on the other side, mukhang ayaw naman nilang may panalo eh. So, bigyan nyo na yung supportan nyo sa gustong manalo, and that will be Meralco Balls, Kabola. Support them. Kasi sin Haj, sina Quinto, sina Banchero, Kabola, you can see how much they want to win the championship, Kabola. And man, the quality of coaching that Coach Nena and Coach Vucinic is showing that, wow, I mean, the way they come back, the way they defended in the second half, Kabola, it's basketball beauty, Kabola, it's basketball beauty. So, with that, Kabola, I encourage you to support Meralco Balls and support them, Kabola. This team wants to win the championship for the Philippines. Kabola, masaya ka ba na nanalo Meralco Balls? Comment na po sa